In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airbnb to Hospitable. To get started, sign in to your Hospitable account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the settings area or the channels section. Depending on your account layout, either option can take you to the place where booking platforms are managed. This is where you'll set up the connection between Airbnb and Hospitable. After that, select the option that says Connect a Channel or Add Channel. The wording may vary slightly, but the goal is the same. You're adding a booking platform so Hospitable can communicate with it. When the list of available channels appears, choose Airbnb. Next, click Connect Airbnb. This will begin the linking process and usually opens a sign-in prompt for Airbnb. At this point, log into your Airbnb host account when asked. Make sure you're using the correct host profile, especially if you manage more than one account, because the listings available to sync will come from the account you authorize. Once you've signed in, Airbnb will show you the permissions Hospitable is requesting. Take a moment to review those permissions carefully. This step is important because it explains what data Hospitable will be able to access, such as reservations, calendar details, and messaging-related information. If everything looks correct, click Allow or Authorize to continue. After authorization, you'll be asked to select the Airbnb listings you want to sync with Hospitable. Choose the listings you want connected. If you manage multiple properties, this is a good time to double check that you're selecting the right ones so your setup stays organized from the beginning. When your selections are made, confirm the connection and wait for the synchronization process to finish. This may take a little time depending on how many listings you're connecting, so give the system a moment to complete the setup properly. Once the sync is done, the final step is to verify that everything is working correctly inside your Hospitable dashboard. Check that your listings appear as expected and then review your reservations, calendar, and messaging to make sure they're syncing properly. This quick review helps you catch any issues early and gives you confidence that your connection is fully active. And that's it. Your Airbnb account should now be connected to Hospitable, allowing your property information and booking activity to stay in sync. If anything looks delayed, wait a few minutes and refresh the dashboard before